Hi guys, today we're going to be learning to knit these baby booties. We will need 2 colors of yarn, 2 stitch markers if you need them, or you can do without them, whatever you prefer. And these are size 4 knitting needles. You can use circular or straight. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cast on 21. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, turn our work around. Move the first stitch to the other needle, put our yarn back, knit 8, then we will purl 3, and then we will knit the remaining 9. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Okay, turn our work around, and now it's time to switch the yarn. Okay, before we do that, let's use the stitch markers for those of you who prefer to work with the stitch markers, and I'll let you know where to put them. Okay, so over here at the beginning of the knit stitches and at the end of the knit stitches, so the 3 in the center. Okay. All right, so now we will start with the second color. Okay, so we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and only when you're at the knit side of the 3 stitches is you add by 1 on each side. That's what the stitch markers are for, to tell you where to add. So you add 1 here, and you knit 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you go back in here as well, and then add another stitch, and then knit the rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. All right, turn your work around. All right, move your first stitch, put your yarn back, and then knit the rest. So again, everything until you come to the first stitch marker. Then you will purl 3. Purl 3. And then knit the rest for this row. All right, now we'll switch the yarn. Knit the first one because you're switching the yarn. And then knit all the way until you come to the stitch markers. Okay, when you get to the 3 that are knit, you will add by 1 stitch on each side. So this is 1. And this is 2. And then knit the rest. Okay. Move the first stitch to the other needle and then knit all the stitches until you come to the 3 in the middle. Wait, hold on. Okay, you have to purl these 3. 1, 2, 3, and then knit the rest of them. Okay, and now it's time to switch the yarn again. And you will keep repeating the same steps until you have 3 rows of red. Okay, and I will check back with you later. Now we just need to purl all the stitches for 5 rows. And once we finish that, I will show you what to do next. Okay, let me get to this point. You can use this needle or you can use a hook whatever is easier for you. A hook is sometimes a bit easier because, you know, it has a hook. So you knit the first, and then you go put it back on the needle, and you knit these two together, and then do the same thing over and over until you finish with all your stitches. Okay, it looks like that. Or you can use this needle. It's whatever. Continue to do that until you finish the entire row, and then I will show you what to do next. Okay. Expand your stitch. Put your yarn through it. Pull it through. Okay. And now we will use the crochet hook to sew this part and this part together. Put your hook through the first stitches. Wrap the yarn around it, pull it through, chain one. Go to the next ones, the next two. Wrap the yarn around it. Okay. Slip stitch. Go to the next two. Slip stitch. Expand your last stitch. Put your yarn through it. Okay, now all we have to do is sew the last part of it here in the back. Okay, so we'll go in here and we will have this, pull it through, chain one, and then we'll keep on going trying to join the red with the red and the white with the white, because that will make it look a bit better. Okay, extend your last stitch. Put your yarn through it or your work through it. Pull it through. Cut the yarn and lose the ends. Remove your stitch markers. Okay. Turn your bootie inside out. And that's your set. I hope you guys liked the video. Please share and subscribe.